HICCTV Security Group.
Welcome to HICCTV Security Group. Here in this project installation, we want to install 4 cameras. The cameras are actually all in one, both the speaker, alarm, and everything. And we want to install 1 camera in the front, 1 in the side, and 2 in the back. Please come with me to show you something.
The most important part of this project is running cables from the ceiling to this box. And this is the hardest job, that we have to make a hole here and run 4 cables here and connect it to the NVR, and then the NVR will be connected to the Wi-Fi for the remote access. So please stay with us to show you how we want to install this project.
Sun sinking low in the sky, dreams whisper and float on by. Pink lemonade, a world of colors come alive, where hopes and wishes thrive. Fields of gold we walk through, golden hues and skies of blue. Pink lemonade, every step a brand new view underneath the evening's hue. Chasing sunsets one more time, hearts in rhythm, truths in right. Pink lemonade, hands together, fingers entwined, moments fleeing, caught in time. Laughter echoes in the air, troubles vanish without care. Pink lemonade, in this glow we'll always share a memory beyond compare. Stars will follow moonlight's call, night will blanket over all. Pink lemonade, in our hearts we'll hear the call of sunsets we've chased and recall. Chasing sunsets one more time, hearts in rhythm.